My name's Jo Newton and I did a Bachelor of Rural Science with honours in quantitative genetics. I then stayed on to do a PhD at UNE looking at sexual maturity and reproduction in sheep. During my undergraduate degree I lived on campus and I was quite involved in the college community. I also became involved with the Rural Science Undergraduate Society, Enactus, and founded Farming Futures, an agricultural careers fair and networking event. In addition to that, I was involved with the Armidale Show Society and New South Wales Farmers Association, both with the local branch and with the Young Farmers Council. I currently work as a research scientist in genetics for the Victorian Government. The department I work for is called the Department of Economic Development, Jobs, Transport and Resources. So it's quite a large department, but Agriculture Victoria is part of that department. I work on a project called Improving Herds. It's a collaborative dairy project with the majority of funding coming from the Gardner Foundation. And what I really enjoy about the role is that whilst I'm in the office some of the time, still doing the research and computer programming, I get plenty of opportunities to get out in the field and talk to people that work in the industry and share what we're finding out in the project. So in July last year, I was fortunate enough to be one of the participants in the Australian Futures Project Initiative Actions for New South Wales Agriculture. And over the 10-month process, they brought together 60 people from New South Wales that work right across the agricultural supply chain. And we got to look at some of the challenges facing agriculture and work together in challenge teams to identify potential solutions. My time at UNE was invaluable in preparing me for the workforce. The applied nature of the UNE degrees with the strong practical component meant that while I was getting all the theoretical knowledge in the classroom, I had plenty of opportunities to go out in my uni breaks and during afternoon prac sessions to get that hands-on experience that's so valuable in agriculture. And the opportunity to get involved in my college community, the UNE community, and the wider community helped me develop skills other than those that you develop through your study, which have helped me in my current position. I think the biggest piece of advice I'd have for UNE students would be to get involved in the university community and the wider community. In doing so, you have the opportunity to build additional skills to those that you get in the classrooms here, and also to build that network which makes you so much more employable